$1,700 to $27,000. This is your potential monthly income if you are using AI Baby podcast software or the videos created by this software. If you have this software, congratulations. This video is just for you. If you don't have it, you will find the link in the description. By the way, that will be my affiliate link. So if you buy, I will earn a commission. Why should you even consider buying something like a baby podcast? What is this? In case you are not living under the rock, then you know that these videos are blowing up right now. This page on TikTok has 500,000 followers and the videos are getting millions of views. Why does it matter? Because if you use these videos and get this kind of views, then you can make money like this channel. And this channel is making approximately, this is not the exact numbers, approximately $1,700 to $27,000 a month. This video is the second video of the training series that I'm running for AI Baby podcast customers. It will also be helpful for you if you don't have it, but you will get the maximum benefit if you have this software because it is recently launched, it's on sale, and they are giving away access, unlimited access for a one-time price, like $19. That is crazy. Where in the world you will get an AI application that can potentially make you this kind of money for a one-time price? Even ChatGPT doesn't give you one time. However, every single training video I make, I aim to help my 99% done for you program members because they are the top priority for me. And I will take a workshop where I will show you how we help our 99% done for you program members make $500 commissions. The link to the registration page of the workshop is somewhere near this video. Chances are it's below this video or above this video. And if you're watching this video from YouTube, the link will be in the description. If you're watching from Instagram and TikTok, link will be in the bio. When I'm talking about $500 commissions, I'm talking about these type of commissions. These are the members of my 99% done for you program. Most of them joined our program as a complete beginner who had absolutely no idea how to make money online. We use AI, we use automation, and our program is 99% done for you. So I look forward to see you in the live training. Register from the link somewhere near this video. And before we go to our today's method of making $500 from AI Baby podcast videos, I need to give you a quick recap of yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, which you can find on top of this video, it should look something like this. Or if you are watching from YouTube, then you can find yesterday's video, or I will put the link to the video in the description. You can watch from there. In this video, I shared how someone made over $640,000 in 30 days selling a book using TikTok. It's a completely unique way. We have never heard this before, and it's completely new. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video, you may want to consider watching. But I got a lot of questions. This video was 30 minutes long, so I could not add everything. It's not even possible. So a lot of the viewers DM'd me and emailed me asking about how do we write books with AI. Honestly, you can just go and use ChatGPT or Claude if you want. You can even use Grok. Grok is completely free. But if you want our method, then we have a custom GPT, which is an automated AI system to write our books. But our books are different. Regular books are meant to be read. Customers will buy and then they will read and they forget about you. In our case, the book works as sales copy, and this sales copy sells minimum $1,000 product. So from a $5 book, we get customers who get warmed up, build trust with us, learn about us, who we are, what we do, and what we stand for. A lot of them agree. A lot of them, from the amazing quality and the delivery of the book, a lot of them decide to do business with us and invest $1,000 minimum to any of our high ticket program, and both parties get the benefit. Even a lot of my 99% done for you program members joined this way. So for that kind of book, we use a particular, very specific custom GPT. It's called Bookmaster AI. This is the sales page of Bookmaster AI. Currently, the price is $19. If you find it at $19, congratulations. We are increasing the price to $49. So if you can't find it at $19, then you are late. But in any case, one book sell, one high ticket sell can make all the money back. So whether it's $19, $49, or $99, go get this. It's 100% worth it. I will drop a link in the description. However, if you are joining the free workshop, then do not buy it right now because we are going to give this Bookmaster master AI for free. You will get a chance to get it for free. Instead, register for the free training. Now let's get back to money. $500 per day. That's our goal. We want to make $500 per day. So you log into the application, then you create, then you upload a couple of photos or AI made photos of babies. Select what kind of video you want to make. Just a couple of clicks, copies and paste. AI does its job. The video is ready. You click and publish. But here is the second method of making money. So when you upload your videos on YouTube, then you monetize your channel, you make money like this for views. So money method number one is by showing, which means you upload your videos and YouTube will run ads on your videos and you will make money by showing ads on your videos. And you know what? Just for uploading videos, if you can make this kind of money, it's crazy good. And if the work is just making a couple of clicks and then simply upload those videos, then why would you make one channel? You can make multiple channels. You can make 2 channels, 5 channels, 10 channels, 20 channels. Sky is the limit. But before we get excited, we want to know, how easy is it? Or is it really doable, possible? How many steps does it take? So I came to my beloved ChatGPT. I will show you how we learn from ChatGPT super fast. I'm going to click this voice mode and have a conversation with ChatGPT, but that's coming later. Now I will use this dictation mode and ask question. I just noticed AI baby podcast videos are blowing up. I have a software that creates this kind of videos in just a few clicks. What I want to know first is that if I want to make money by uploading these videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or other channels, how many steps do I need to take? How much time will take per step? Is there any additional cost per step? How much time do I need to invest every single day in order to build fast momentum and start making money faster? Answer in a table using serial number, name of the step, brief description on what needs to be done, time taken for individual step, and cost, if any, in separate columns. Make sure to write the table in the chat. Use 5th graders language and make it as interesting as possible. Make it a fun read because I want to share this with my 99% Done For You program members just because they deserve the best of the best. I want them to have a lot of fun learning it and a lot of fun doing and making money from it. Go. Now let's see what ChatGPT gives us. One of the reasons I used dictation mode is to show you how perfect ChatGPT's transcription is. Literally 99% perfect. On top of that, we can now use this prompt on any other platform. Okay, we got it. There are 8 steps. Step number 1, pick your topic. It will take 10 minutes, 0 cost. Generate video. Use your software to make videos. It will take 5 minutes. It's included in the software. Then add fun music and text. Toss on happy tune and big colorful words so it pops. 15 minutes. Make a thumbtastic pic. Haha. 10 minutes, upload and tag. 15 minutes, write a fun caption. 10 minutes, share and promote. 10 minutes, check and improve. 10 minutes. So it takes total 10 plus 5 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 85 minutes, my friend. 1 hour, 15 minutes. So if you practice a little bit daily, you will squeeze it to 1 hour. But if you practice a little more, then you can manage upload a video in 30 minutes. So in 1 hour per day, or split it into 2 30-minute sessions, you will build fast momentum and see money rolling in sooner. 8 steps, remember that. Most importantly, you learned how to prompt AI to get desired results. Now I want to know how much money can be made from views from different platforms. Include all the platforms in your knowledge that pay for video views. Use serial number, use platform name, use how much money for how many views, use steps involved for conditions for each platform, and rate them out of 5 for beginner friendliness. Answer in a table, put all of them in separate columns, use 5th graders language, make it fun and interesting, go as details as possible because we want to validate whether it is the right business model for us or not. Oh yes, write the table on this chat. Go. Awesome, the prompt is ready. Go. Now look what happens. AI is researching across platforms, websites, and writing a table for you, but the table doesn't look quite good. I think the answer is not complete. The table looks weird. Can you do it again? But this time, write correctly. Redoing the search for monetization rates. I think ChatGPT wanted to deliver super fast and messed up. Ooh, that's a problem again. So why don't we do it this way? We take it here and we use it with ChatGPT desktop app. See if we can get better results. Who knows? Okay. No. Unfortunately, we're not having a lot of fun. In these cases, just move on or try to use some other platform. Like we can use Perplexity. Perplexity is one of the best for research. And the free version of Perplexity is enough. Now, wow, we are getting answer we are looking for. Subhanallah, look at this. So YouTube pays you $2 to $12 for 1,000 views. Steps to start, make a YouTube account. Haha. Conditions, follow YouTube rules. That's even more haha. Because I have already done this research before, and that time the answer was even better. Look, this answer was much better than before. So basically from YouTube, you make $3 to $18 per 1,000 views. But for short videos, which is our primary target, it's 3 cents to 7 cents per 1,000 views. So on YouTube, you'll make maximum $7 per 1,000 views. ChatGPT gave us similar answer as well. But this was for long form content. For short form, it's something like this for 1,000 views. The point I'm trying to make is that it's amazing. You just take 8 steps, spend like 1 hour, upload some videos on YouTube, and you make $7 per 1,000 views. Who pays $7 for free? Once you upload a video, you literally have nothing else to do. Just let the algorithm do its job. However, does algorithm really work for everyone? Let's search with the Baby Podcast. We should have a couple more channels. Hopefully this is a channel. Yes, it is. And this channel has 11,000 subscribers. The number of views they're getting are not a lot. And on short videos, views are not much impressive. What do you think? Compared to millions of views, this channel gets like 4,000, 2,900, 13,000 views. This looks like another channel. Podcast by Babies. Also, this one is getting good views. Not bad at all. 34,000, 35,000, 14,000, 33,000, 500,000 views. Yeah. So probably this channel is also making good money. This channel also got 14,000 subscribers. By looking at the videos, I think these are created by the same creator. I might be wrong. But if that is the case, then I would say not many people are doing it or even trying it. So literally, this is a blue ocean. This is the right time to take action and try this. On the other hand, just to be safe, I can be a little negative and think that maybe it's not working for everyone. So people are trying it, but their channels are not popping. In that case, all the steps that you are taking per day and spending 1 hour or 2 hours or whatever, and in worst case scenario, if it keeps flopping over and over, do you think it's still the best business model? I think yes, it is good if you do not only rely on one monetization method. You should rely on 2 or 3 monetization methods from the same videos, from the same work. So one of the monetization method was covered yesterday, which was book creation, marketing, and selling method on TikTok platform using TikTok videos and even using other people to promote your books as affiliates. So there is a huge opportunity right here. The second one is a bit weak, which is money for showing ads, which is also called YouTube AdSense ad revenue sharing model. It takes 8 steps, minimum 1 hour per day in order to make some money. But making $500 per day from this method doesn't seem to be very promising. It may happen, it may not happen. And that is why we will take a complete workshop and we will show you our 99% done for you program in the live workshop. Register for the live training from the link below this video or above the video and join us live. We will show you how these beginner 9 to 5ers make this kind of $500, $600, $900 commissions with our 99% done for you program. Also stay tuned for tomorrow's training. Today's training video will be here on day 2 and tomorrow's training will be here. We will share another pretty much guaranteed way to make money with our AI Baby podcast videos. We'll see you there.